I'm Mary. This is my dog Bessie, my beautiful pit bull boxer Bessie. It's the wee small hours of the morning, Alaska time. I'm tired, sitting in my cute bathrobe. Something, actually, there's something very important I want to share with all of you. It's an important issue called urine. Everybody should have an opinion and be knowledgeable about refuge. Now, people might laugh. They don't understand that urine is such an important issue. But it really is. And if you have a study, I'm going to put this up on my website that I call Insomniac Cafe. So you have to sleep anyway, and when I say words like incompetent, well, you know what I'm talking about. Like Joe Spencer relative there. Now my beautiful sexy hair coming down. Real beauty here. God bless you. So, have stop laughing. Um, have wonderful dreams of Bilbabom. And I'll see you next time. Until then, remember this magic word, Bigglebaggle.